Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you month of November 2020's monthly forecast based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on moon sign. But you can watch this particular monthly forecast according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign as well. You can take this whole prediction according to your moon sign as well as according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign. This prediction have no relevance whatsoever with sun sign prediction. So kindly take this prediction according to your moon sign or according to your ascendant sign or according to your rising sign. For all of you, based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on all, so the whole project is based on Indian Vedic astrology, all the task, precaution, chantings, all the information. Let's talk about month of November 2020 monthly forecast. Let's talk about Aries. Aries, the monthly forecast, month of November 2020 Aries. The transit for Aries for this particular month of November. First thing first for Aries, transit of Venus in 6th house for Aries, 23rd October 2020 till 17th November. Aries, when the Venus is transiting in 6th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 6th house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transiting in 6th house from your moon sign, this time period, bringing some trying time for you, this period sees you going through lots of trouble in your undertaking. There's a chance that your enemies will try to tarnish your image and you might get involved in a fight with your business partner or your colleagues. You have to compromise with your enemies against your will. Avoid any kind of argument with your family members, particularly this phase. It is advised that you are avoiding traveling long distance. You are susceptible to face a lot of accident during this phase of time. Health would be requiring extra attention. You're likely to suffer from ill health, mental unrest, anxiety, fear, and may I say that this time period when the Venus is transiting in, may I say, 6th house from your moon sign, you have to be very focused what you want to achieve and hold on to your respect and honor in society. And this could be a risk, but don't take any kind of a unnecessary risk, particularly this time. Otherwise, you have to face humiliation. Useless discussion, litigation should be avoided when the Venus is transiting in 6th house from your moon sign. Transit of Sun for Aries in 8th house, 16th November till 15th December. Aries, when the Sun is transiting in 8th house from 16th November till 15th December, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 8th house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting 8th house from your moon sign, this creating a loss and suffering in general. Be extra careful to avoid any unnecessary expenses. Avoid making important decisions during this particular time when the Sun is transiting in 8th house. Official decision, the answer is no. No financial decision, no official decision, no anything to do with court or legal decision, the answer is no. When the Sun is transiting in 8th house, don't go to court, don't go to important dates. Avoid taking any important decision when the Sun is transiting in 8th house. The answer is no. Support from your own people, support from the family member, even your own best friends, even your partner may seem absent to you. People will not support you when the Sun is transiting in 8th house. There could be a change in your work you do, possibility forcing you to let you go to your current position, change of job or profession. There could be a lot of traveling which will not bring any result for you. Only stress. Consciously avoid getting involved in any kind of argument with your own people, with enemies, with your partner. It's likely to be totally fruitless exercise. Taking care of your health, you become physically health issues regarding stomach disorders, blood pressure, piles, eye infection, discomfort. You may develop needless fear, anxiety, and loss of honor, meaningless anxiety, restlessness during this phase of time. It's wise to avoid activity that involve a kind of risk to your life, thus to your family. A relative issue may come up unexpectedly, causing some worries, tension for you. Transit of Venus in 7th house for Aries, 17th November till 11th of December. When the Venus is transiting in 7th house, when the Venus is transiting in 7th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 7th house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transiting 7th house from your moon sign, this most indicate troublesome period caused by companions. Stay away from litigation involving companion, and people will try to harm you, destroy your reputation if you're not very careful. Try to maintain good relationship with people around you, with your partner, with your companion. This particular phase when the Venus is transiting 7th house from your moon sign, this phase also indicating ill health. And look after your life partner, look after your romantic partner. And your life partner, romantic partner go through few health problem, lot of mental unrest. Financially is not good period for you. It would be better to stay away from dealing with, may I say, your companion. Avoid any kind of financial losses. You have to realize you have some wicked friends who try to harm you, backstab you. Involvement with unnecessary people can create a lot of grief during this phase of time. Chances that you may create a lot of new enemies during this phase of time. Some sort of a conflict related to companion. This period also sees you suffer from a lot of mental agitation, distress and anger. Taking care of your health, you're likely to suffer from health issues and sort of health issue linked with male or female health issues and urinary problem and some sort of a male or female health issue. Professionally could not be regarded as conducive period when the Venus is transiting 7th house from your moon sign. Avoid wicked people, wrong people, foul company. They'll create a, they will try to expose you, try to blackmail you, and that's a major progression, major issue in regarding your progression, major obstacle in your progression. And this time period you have to be extra careful and refrain from foul company, please. Aries, in this particular month of November, you must sort out your Mars, your Venus, your Rahu, your Ketu, for the prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, debts, flow of income issues, professional backing issues, relationship issues, family happiness, peace of mind, career, health and happiness, well-being. And Mars especially, that is your existence, Aries. Venus, your flow of income. Rahu and Ketu will stumble your flow of income. You'll create an issue regarding your marriage relationship. If you are in a joint venture, you'll have a lot of issues due to Rahu and Ketu. So kindly go through the full report with the help of task precaution chanting. With the full report, you can acknowledge what's going on in the whole month of November, and then you can implement the whole report in your lifestyle. And all the task precaution chantings are given as a support. You can implement those and sort out your issues. So may I request you visit our website prakashastrologer.com, and from website acquire your monthly horoscope, the full report, and implement the full report for your best and come out your situation scenarios if you're going through any tough period. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign monthly horoscope report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.